Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today guys, mag-practice naman tayo sa pag-drive guys. So punta tayo sa Farmington para matuto tayo doon mag-drive ng intersection. So, samahan ninyo kami guys. Tara! Yeah, we're gonna...
Careful.
Where's that?
And once you turn on the water,
The water's on the outside. Never went off. We just put that cap over that you broke.
It's good day today. We go now to the traffic light.
Goes the flashing stop
might not
sign.
even need that
Yep,
cap
the
anymore.
flashing.
It's hot.
It's bright. What time now? 5:30. Oh no.
Unable to import binder. Press the back button to go
No,
back.
both.
Why are you going so slow?
There's a basketball on the road. You never looked the other way, did you?
No, I look it.
You did. Left blinker. You go. Sales are slowing there now. $1 million.
1 million.
People buying the $700,000 homes now. That's what they're looking for. 600, 700.
Nice to drive it like this. Have no only few cars.
Yep.
Sunday here. Have no people in the road. Only few.
Another subdivision going in here, I'm sure.
Yep, there is big. This nice here.
Used to be we could go look 600. All right, well, let's think
1
about
million.
it. No, 1 million is it's off the table. Especially with interest rates going up, that's going to stop the growth. Slow it down anyway.
Nice here. Oh, look. How many
Trees.
trees.
I drop. Four. Why is there so many Fords? Mercedes-Benz, Nissan.
And your mirror's all set.
Yep.
How about this one?
Yep.
This one?
Yep.
Mercedes-Benz.
Left,
Yep.
right.
Ram.
Yep.
I'm on the right. I'm always on the right.
Yep.
Toyota. Ram. Chevrolet. Ford.
Circle. Let's see if there's anything left in there. Left. Right behind us.
Have no.
Got it.
Heritage.
25. Speed limit 25.
That corner's still available.
This is million plus. 54.
Yep, handful. All these people like white.
Oh, White House here. White. I hope my road test like this have no car. So that I not scared.
Too bad you couldn't do it on a Sunday.
Yeah. I not do in Sunday. Better, safer. Lucky this house buy here 1 million.
Make a left.
Why is it so sunny?
Sun sunny because
Go
of
Petro.
sun. Sun, Nigel.
Honda.
He did it. 50,000 on landscaping.
Yep.
It's not cheap. It's got a built-in pool in there too. Careful going around the curve. Same color as ours.
Here's
so-
nice because higher.
Yep.
Higher the
Hyundai.
land here.
Hyundai. Toyota. Nissan.
Nissan, what's that? Hyundai.
Nissan. Toyota.
Nissan.
It's
Hyundai.
Hyundai.
BMW. Ford.
Toyota.
Hyundai. Kia.
A lot of people buy foreign.
Nissan.
Jeep. Whoa. This is dangerous. Didn't even put a flash.
Yo,
on.
I not see that red. That's better.
You just
I
take
see.
straight road.
Yo.
Stop.
Toyota.
I was looking away. I wasn't watching you.
Better
Hyundai.
I see the red.
Yep. You're in charge. You're driving.
Subaru.
Oh, nice road here. Look, RJ, brand new.
Nissan.
Yep.
Honda.
Got a trail and
Honda.
everything.
Nissan. Ford.
Usually we go down there or come out
No
here.
traffic light.
Toyota.
Nope. Only with those people.
Honda. Hyundai. Kia.
Still 25 the speed here.
Honda.
Yeah, this is open houses.
I put 30.
Kia.
Changes constantly. Always have to look both sides.
What's up? Where's the...
Remember the golf tournament?
Yeah, I know that.
This is where we went.
Oh, no good road now here.
It goes over a bridge. You gotta go over 15 or under 15. There's a nice view.
It's nice
Hey
here.
man, this place is the golf tournament.
Yep. There we go over the bridge. Oh, 15.
There's the breeze. There's a mountain, RJ.
Just a little bit. This goes to the old Smiths. It doesn't have, it's not a marketplace like Gainesville. They don't have clothes. Recognize where you're at? Go under the bridge. You gotta make sure you stay in a straight lane.
East side. Mazda. Subaru. Lexus.
Yeah,
Kia.
which is the straight lane. So stay in this lane. Looks like it divides up here. Got a green light.
I'm gonna say all the stores I see. Starting now.
Stay in this lane.
Goodyear. Subway. There's Smith's.
Smith. Was that stop or not?
Went to the end.
That.
No, that's one flashing. Took that in the written test. Oh, good. I'd slow down. Let this motorcycle get in. Put your blinker on the right blinker.
The motorcycle. Okay.
And make a right. Right.
Yeah, blue.
That old man sold. You want to go into the parking lot of the driver's ed? Let's do that. You have to know how to drive in and drive out. And then we'll come out. We'll go to that lagoon thing.
Yep.
Look around. Might just be a parking lot. And when they fill up in July, they have like thousands of people there.
Nice.
Oh, look,
Like
subdivision.
before. This
Single
here, again,
family home.
nice.
You can turn on the road
Hmm?
when he's clear. Okay, go. Make a right.
There's lagoon.
Okay, stay over on the left.
We go to the left next.
Lagoon open?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to drive this road to get used to it. Green light. Get in the intersection. Keep your wheel straight. Stop. Stop. Keep your wheel straight. Don't turn until you're ready to go. Now cut it. And go.
driver license.
Make me dizzy.
There you go.
They finally tarred this. Smooth, finally. Make a left.
Oops.
What's up with these?
Oh, have no people there.
It's closed. It's Sunday.
Sunday.
Drive to the
Oh,
motorcycle ramp.
nice to do that
The
here.
motorcycle cones. Why did beep at you for what?
I'm so slow.
Can you get over? the straight.
Very good. I'm 60. Not expect here.
Building a new bridge too. There's a Legacy Parkway is going to enter right here. That big highway is coming down here.
Moto daw in Centerville.
Centerville or Bountiful or whatever.
With the tree. So paso. This car, my goodness.
You're keeping it what, 55?
Almost 60.
A long, long road with no exit.
My goodness.
Salt Lake City.
Oh, you see all those houses on the mountain?
Yep.
That's Bountiful. Hear that? It's telling you you're over the line. Parish Lane, get off there.
60 now.
One half, see that? Exit 319.
Yep.
Parish Lane, 1/2 mile. You turn left. In-N-Out Burger, remember that? That's
Yeah.
what we always thought of.
You've been here.
You're practicing driving, so don't worry about
My
it.
goodness.
Not gonna ever work.
But if you're gonna get a license, you need to know to drive these roads too.
Where exactly?
Stay in your lane, follow that car. There's the yellow. Okay, get in the straight lane. That's it. Go straight. You want anything to eat? No U-turn. See the sign, no U-turn, but go, right behind this car. Stop. Stop. He's in the intersection. No, you go. Okay, now you go. Make your turn. You want a burger, RJ?
Yeah.
In-N-Out Burger, they're good. They're better than McDonald's.
McDonald's right next to it.
Yeah,
Want McDonald's?
I want fries.
so we gotta get on 2 lines, that means?
We go here in the right.
Look. Okay. Get in the lane. Who's behind you? You should already be in the lane, but you need hamburgers plain? Make a right.
Okay, you drive pa na.
Okay. We never brought the mask, did we?
driver.
I did.
Okay, Daddy Drive by McDonald RJ.